Traceability of the rope. Be security-minded when buying or becoming responsible for PPE. Establish a register containing usage records and technical notices for your gear. When acquiring ropes, read the technical notice supplied by the manufacturer, then log the references to the rope on a new usage record obtainable from the ICD. It will be necessary to write the identity of the owner and the controller of the ropes, also the dates of purchase, of first use, and the theoretical retirement date of the ropes. These usage records will thus give a precise picture of these items of security equipment covering the relevant controls. To keep to the security standards, you should also check the presence of marking on the ropes, on which you need a distinctive separate code for each rope, which identifies it with the same code written on each respective usage record. For example, for two identical ropes, one could write 1 for the first and 2 for the second. Thus, each rope has a separate identity from birth.